History of Python. Python is a programming language which was created by Guido van Rossum. It was first released on February 20, 1991. Python is widely used. General purpose and high-level programming language. It was mainly developed for emphasis on code readability, code reusability, and its syntax allows programmers to express concepts in fewer lines of code. Python is said to have succeeded the ABC programming language, which had interfacing with the Amoeba operating system. The inspiration for the name came from BBC's TV show, Monty Python's Flying Circus, as he was a big fan of the TV show and as he wanted a short, unique, and slightly mysterious name with his invention. Guido van Rossum began doing its application-based work on Python in December of 1989 at CWI in Netherlands. Some of the major features that Python inherited from ABC are its dynamic typing, no data type declarations and its high-level data structures. It used a lot fewer codes to express the concepts when we compare it with Java, C and C++. Its design philosophy is also quite good. Its main objective is to provide code readability and advanced developer productivity. It also provides classes with inheritance, several core data types, with exception handling and its functions. Some goals for Python: an easy and intuitive language, open source, so anyone can contribute to its development, code is as understandable, and suitable for everyday tasks, allowing for short development times.